The relationship of biology to the other sciences. What is the relationship of biology with different other types of sciences like the physics, chemistry, mathematics, and all that? So actually, the first thing that each branch of science has a relationship with all other branches. For example, when studying the process of movement in animals, the biologists have to refer to the laws of motion in physics. This form the basis of interdisciplinary sciences. Like if we discuss the one branch of the science with the other branch of the science, that is being called as the interdisciplinary sciences. The first one is biophysics. Biophysics is actually what? The study of the principle of physics. We study what? The principles of physics that are applicable to the biological phenomena. For example, there is a similarity between the working principles of liver in physics and the limbs of animals in biology. You can see it in this example that there is an axis, the force being applied, and the resistance. In the same way, the force is applied on the muscles, the axis is the arm, and the resistance is on the hand. So in the same way, the physics and the biology will be interlinked. The next relationship we can see is between the biology and the chemistry. It deals with the study of the chemistry of different compounds and processes occurring in the living organisms. So the basic processes in which the different metabolic processes will occur, in which the chemistry is also involved, like the carbon dioxide, taking of carbon dioxide, and respiring the oxygen, and all these things can be studied in the biochemistry. So basically we can say that the process of photosynthesis and the process of respiration are the most common examples of the biochemistry. The other one is biomathematics, that how the mathematics and biology are interlinked. The biological processes, the different mathematical techniques and tools are being used, for example, for gathering the information, for different experimental tasks. The biologists have to apply the rules of the mathematics. For example, if we have to check that in the specific area how much patients of the specific disease are present, so for that we collect the data, and by applying some mathematical tools and techniques we can judge that these are the patients of this specific disease are present in this specific area. So through this we can link the biology with mathematics. The next one is about the biogeography. So it deals with the study of the occurrence and distribution of different species of living organisms in different geographical regions of the world. For example, there are certain type of plants that are present in this specific area. We can study it through the biogeography. So it actually applies the knowledge of the characteristics of the particular geographical region to determine the characteristics of the living organisms found there. The next one is bioeconomics. Bioeconomics is what? It deals with the study of organism from economical point of view. If we sow some crop, and how much profit, how much cost value of that specific crop is, then after getting the yield of that crop, we will check that how much profit we got from that yield. Wheat can be calculated through the bioeconomics, and benefits or losses can also be determined through the bioeconomics. The next thing we talked about is the careers in biology. What sort of careers are present in the biology, that after learning, after studying biology, what we can do further. The first one is medicine and surgery. We all know that MBBS is one of the very profound degree after studying the biology, in which we talked about the different parts of the plants. It is actually, MBBS is actually the two things, that is bachelor's in medicines and bachelor's in surgery. So the diagnosis and treatment of the diseases in human is related to the medicine and surgery, in which the different parts of the body can be repaired, replaced, or removed. So for example, the removal of the stone through the renal surgery, the transplantation of the kidneys, both these professions are studied in the same course, that is being called as the MBBS. The next career of biology is fisheries. Fisheries is the professional study of the fish production. There are departments in the Pakistan where the professionals of the fisheries are employed, and they serve for enhancing the quality and quantity of the fish production. In Pakistan, the profession can be adopted after doing the bachelor or master level study of zoology and fisheries. So the next thing is agriculture. Agriculture is also one of the most important field. It is related to the food crops and animals, which are actually the sources of the food. So an agriculturist works for the betterment of the crops. Like for example, there is certain type of the wheat, rice, corn, to enhance its quality. For obviously for the betterment of the mankind, it is being studied in the agriculture. And for agriculture, the different universities are offering the bachelor degrees in agriculture and also in the specific fields as well. So the next one is animal husbandry. It is the branch of agriculture concerned with the care and breeding of domestic animals. That the domestic animals, that is also called as the livestock, the cattle, the sheep, how they can be cared, and what are their process of breeding. So the professional courses, the animal husbandry, can be adopted after the higher secondary educations in biology. The next branch is horticulture. Horticulture is what? It is the art of gardening. That what sort of what varieties of the organisms, what horticulture also help for the betterment of existing varieties and also for the production of the new varieties of the ornamental and the fruit plants. Ornamental plants are those that are being used for the decoration in different at the homes, in schools, gardens, and all these places. So biology students can adopt the profession after their higher secondary education. Different universities are offering the BS degree in horticulture. Then the next one is farming. Farming is also the most deals with the development and the maintenance of different types of the farms. The farms that relate to the animal breeding techniques and the production of animals which are better in the protein and milk source, because it is also important for the mankind as the population is increasing day by day. So we also need the large quantity and better quality of the things as well. So the professional courses are being offered in the farming as well, like same like the agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, etc. And these fields people can also adopt the farming as their profession. Then the next one is forestry. Forestry obviously related to the forest, the where we look after the natural forest and advises the government for the planting and growing the artificial forest, because the forests are the most important part to make the environment better. Many universities are offering the professional courses in the forestry, and definitely after the higher education in the biology or after the bachelor level of zoology or botany degree. The next one is biotechnology, as we talked in our first lecture as well. It is also the latest profession in the field of biology. Biotechnologists study and work for the production of the useful products through microorganisms. They are producing the useful products by using the microorganisms at the large scale in the industries, obviously. So universities are offering the bachelor degree in biotechnology as well. Later it was in the botany or after botany or zoology, but now it is being offered that BS in biotechnology in different universities, and so it is one of the most important field nowadays. This is all about the careers of the biology, and